Well, I got a good little treat for us today, boys and girls. Every truck driver has heard of a Flying J, a TA, a pilot. I found this cute little place on Route 41 in Gap, Pennsylvania. Yeah, it's called the Truck Stop. And there's a universal truck over here where you fuel, and you're 24 hours. This restaurant opens, I think, 4:30 in the morning, and they're open till 10. So let's go and see.
Chicken on my daddy's farm, should have kept that bird locked up in the barn. Nothing will get your steel found quicker than a finger licking chicken that likes corn liquor. Pretty soon he got hooked on my daddy's brain, licking off my finger right from my hand. Look at the chicken good, get it to my daddy's skin. The finger-licking chicken on my daddy's farm, should have kept that bird locked up in the barn. Nothing will get your steel found quicker than a finger-licking chicken that likes corn liquor. Well, you just travel fast in the morning.
How are you this morning?
Good. Coffee for you.
Yes, please.
Ready?
Thank you. You all should see some of the descriptions of the breakfast. I don't know if we can read it with this camera. We got no illegal handling on this CD. It's okay to choose between one grilled pork chop or croquette with sausage gravy, 2 eggs served your way, toast, and a choice of spud. Death by breakfast. They got all these great names for their food here. I had the over and out last night. They got rocking chair melt, knuckle buster, radio run, gypsy chicken, good buddy, home 20. Even the menu's fun to read. You're welcome. Here's another little treat. You go up these stairs here, they have a trucker's lounge. How many truck stops have a trucker's lounge? And as nice as this one that you're going to see, you go up the stairs, and you walk back a little further.
That's why I'm
If you're in need of getting some laundry done, da-da-da-da, and another little bathroom right there. I just think it's wonderful that if you've got a little downtime, come up here with a trucker buddy friend or just by yourself, do a little pool, relax on a real couch like almost as good as the one at home, right? Watch a little tube. Very homey place. And yes, they do have showers.
Let's just let her keep growing. We'll just wait and see how she gets. Before very long she was hopping and pecking and chasing the bugs with her wrist. And now she is a beautiful chicken.
And yes, here's all the showers.
Though she has only one leg.
But hey, all you need is hot water.
When I go to see her each morning, she hops from the nest and she leaves me an egg.
Yummy, look at all the desserts. There's blueberry pie. I see cherry
true
pie. That's one of my favorites.
I do. That's why I've sung you this song.
There's peach pie.
The song about
Doesn't
the
do it
one-legged
justice.
chicken who lives
And you sure can't complain about the size of the platter you get. Plenty of food here. Well, we're gonna go chow down. See you later. Well, Rachel, it was a pleasure to meet you, my dear. I'm sure I'll see you again at the truck stop, the friendliest truck stop in Gap, Pennsylvania.
Thank you.
I sit me down to dine and savor all those dishes fine.